Updating your legal name on Discord is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it through a web browser by visiting the Discord website. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Once you are logged in, locate the gray icon User Settings at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. In the User Settings menu, find and select the My Account tab. This section contains your account information, including your username and email. Step 4. Edit your username. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. You may need to verify your identity through email or two-factor authentication if prompted. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Discord will be updated. Remember that changes may take a moment to reflect across the platform.